Have you ever wondered if a chess knight could travel across the entire board without ever stepping on the same square twice? This is the famous Knight's Tour problem. On an 8x8 chessboard, the knight moves in its classic L shape, 2 squares in one direction and 1 square perpendicular, or 1 square in one direction and 2 squares perpendicular. The goal is simple, yet incredibly challenging. Find a path where the knight visits every single one of the 64 squares exactly once. If the knight can return to its starting square in one final move, the tour is called closed. If it ends on a different square, the tour is open. People have been fascinated by this puzzle for over 1,000 years. Today, we can solve it quickly using a clever algorithm known as Warnsdorff's Rule. Here's how it works. We begin by placing the knight on any square. At every step, we look at all the possible legal moves to squares that haven't been visited yet. For each of those possible next squares, we count how many further unvisited moves would be available from there. This number is called the accessibility or degree of that square. Then we always choose to move to the square that has the fewest possible onward moves. In other words, we always pick the move that leaves the knight with the least options for the future. If 2 squares have the same number of onward moves, we can simply choose any of them. We repeat this process step by step until the knight has visited all 64 squares or no more moves are possible. Thanks to this straightforward greedy strategy, Warnsdorff's rule finds a solution on a standard chessboard in almost every case, and it does so incredibly fast. We can visualize the result by numbering each square from 1 to 64 in the exact order the knight visits them. The result is a beautiful, winding path that covers the entire board. Of course, other methods exist. A backtracking algorithm tries every possible move and retraces its steps when it gets stuck. While it can always find a solution if one exists, it is much slower and far less practical for larger boards. Warnsdorff's rule, however, proves that sometimes the smartest choice is to think one step ahead and always take the path that seems most constrained. The Knight's Tour reminds us that even the simplest rules can create journeys of astonishing beauty and complexity. Thank you for watching.